Okay, what I've learned through my videos, there are several locations where you can leak oil from. This is the engine valve cover. I had to change it because it was cracked, and I had oil leaking from here. It appears that I had oil leaking from my engine sensor back here that I just replaced. My crankshaft, which is down here, crankshaft pulley, that I'm getting ready to replace as well. And there's this little gasket right here where oil can leak from as well. So I'm getting ready to replace this right here. I'm not sure what it's called. I saw it on the videos though. I'm just not sure what it's called, but I'm going to remove it and replace the gasket on the inside. Okay. Okay, let me see. Okay, these weren't too tight, which was good. Okay, that wasn't too tight. Let me see. That wasn't too tight. So that wasn't too bad. Let me take that out. I have a 10 millimeter is what I use. Okay, that one, and let me take the top one off. That's good too. That wasn't too tight. So yeah, it could actually leak from this cap too. Like I said, I don't remember what it's called, but I'm taking it off. You'll get to see here in a second what it looks like. Okay. Okay, there it is. So I took it off. Okay. So this is the gasket that's on the inside of it. As you can see, this one's pretty flat. It's probably old. Definitely needs to be replaced because it's flat. That's the top of it. So the gasket's getting ready to be replaced. Let me show you. I did get a Honda OEM part number for that. Okay, this is the new one that I'm going to replace. It's from Honda. And here is the Honda OEM number for the replacement of that gasket. Okay, so that's the Honda OEM part number. Okay, I bought this little pick set from Amazon. It's got all the different size picks that I could use. So I'm going to use one of these to remove the gasket. All right, let's see. Okay, so this is one it's a little pick that I'm going to use. Let me get in front of there so I can get it. So let me try here. Let's just see. I want to poke myself. Boom, there it is. Came right up. Okay, yeah, that's pretty flat. That was pretty flat. So, okay, that's the gasket. I'm gonna clean it up. That's the gasket. Let me get it. That's what I just took off. So, that's what goes on here. So that's the gasket. It goes in there, so I'm gonna clean it up. That's the old one. I'm gonna replace it with the new one. Okay, let me see, turn it this way. So that's the old one. I'm gonna replace it with the new one. Okay. Okay, you can see the old gasket and the new gasket. The old gasket is flat, the new one is flush. So, old gasket's on the left, new gasket's on the right, and you can see, definitely see the difference with the new one and the old one. All right, we continue to get busy. Okay, this is the new gasket. I'm gonna dab it with a Q-tip and oil just around the side of it. It's how they did it on the video, so before I put it on. That way it won't go on dry on the outside. So yeah, keep Q-tips. Always got to keep Q-tips. So all right. Okay, so let me tighten that back on. So we'll go with the bottom one first. Let me see. Let me get that tight, and then I'll just tighten it. Okay, there. Tight there. All right, let me tighten them. Okay, like I said, I'm not sure what this is called, but I did see it on one of the videos, so I figured I would make sure that I replaced it, because it's one of the many areas where you could catch an oil leak from. So yeah. Okay, that's good. That's tight. Get this top one. Don't want to over tighten it, just tight enough so it's in there. Perfect there. Go down to the lower one. Okay, perfect there. Cool. All right. Because when you start leaking oil, it's not good, let me tell you. Because you never know where the oil leak's coming from. So, see, one area, two areas, three areas on the back with the engine oil sensor. So that's three areas, and then the fourth area would be the crankshaft pulley on the very, very bottom. I believe those are the only areas where it can leak from oil, if I'm correct. There might be more, but if I'm missing one or two, at least I gave you four. All right. Okay, I've decided I'm going to put on the Ultra Black Gasket Maker Oil Resistant RV Sealer. Okay, I'm going to put it on the outside here. So that way it'll seal. I don't have to worry about any future leaks, because as you know, this is a brand new gasket. So I'm going to put it on the outside of the cover, and this gasket is brand new, so we don't have to worry about it leaking. All right, so let me do that. I think that'll help. Okay. Think that'll work. Let's see, wipe it down. Then I'm going to put my gasket back on. Just to make sure. Because I don't think it ever leaked. But you want to make sure it doesn't leak. So let's do this. Oh, wrong side. Darn it. No, that's the right side, right? Oh, I had it in the wrong hole. What was I thinking? My bad. Let me get that off the seal. Let me wipe this off. Okay. Had it in the wrong hole. What the heck I was looking at. There we go. That's the right one. Now let me go on the bottom. Get that plugged in. Okay. I'll push it against. Good. Got that good seal on it. So now I don't have to worry about it leaking from the outside. That'll be good. Let me get it. I just thought about that. I should have put that on when I first replaced it. I just thought about it, watching more videos, of course. I learned something new. Every time I watch videos, I see different things. So I'm not always going to get it right the first time, but I'm going to get it right. This is a 10mm socket, by the way. I know I've said it in my other video, but it is a 10mm socket. All right, let me do the bottom one. Well, that one's tight already. Okay. That didn't take much. Okay, that's tight there. That's tight there. I want to over tighten it. Make sure. Just make sure. So that got tight pretty quick. Let me see. Let me go reverse. Let me take it off again. Let me just make sure. Okay, yeah, that was tight. Okay, it's good. Alrighty. Okay. Good stuff. Ultra black gasket maker, oil resistant. I use that on my engine valve cover when I replaced it. I sealed it on the 4 corners that I was told in the video. So Haven't had no problems with that once I found that leak out. All right, let's continue to get busy. Let's grind.